I am CJ Dalipe, the first Zamboangueña to be elected as the SK National President. My journey as a young leader started with the influence of my family. Growing up, I have been exposed to many community activities, empowering people, providing services and opportunities to those who are in need. Before becoming SK National President, I am the SK Chairperson of Barangay Tatuan, one of the biggest barangays in our city, to which I won as the SK Zamboanga City Federation President, giving me a seat at the City Council to represent the youth sector. I advocate for good governance, youth empowerment, and inclusive growth for all youth sectors. Working with the commissioners of the National Youth Commission, I saw we can do so much if we work together. This is why I call for everyone to support one another. Let us promote positivity and do not allow negativity to prosper. Jóvenes de Zamboanga, trabaja kita junto, aspira como una nación y desea un más mejor ciudad lleno de progreso y desarrollo para a todos. Como siempre, firme en el corazón de jóvenes.